Welcome back RS Agarwal chapter 13a question number 3. Let's continue the series. In this question we use the identity cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal 1. So it become cosec square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta. Start with LHS which is 1 plus cot square theta divided by 1 plus cosec theta. After that, taking LCM 1 plus cosec theta, the numerator part becomes 1 plus cosec theta plus cot square theta. Now we use the identity. In place of cot square theta, we can write cosec square theta minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel out, and cosec theta plus cosec square theta, we can take common cosec theta. So numerator part become cosec theta multiply 1 plus cosec theta. Therefore 1 plus cosec theta in numerator and denominator both cancel out, so it become cosec theta, which is RHS. This is question number 3 of the series. Don't break the flow, so like the video and follow the channel.